What's up, man? Yes. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gerald Peters. I believe that anybody, regardless of age, race, sex, or even your current financial situation, anybody in America with a little bit of information and some tools, some phones, some pads, man, you don't need it. Just like the video said, you don't need the fan, but you do need some stuff. You need some monitors. You're going to need more than one. Okay. I believe that anyone can become financially independent in 7 to 10 years if you apply yourself, if you get on the path, if you get your buckets right, you get your mind right, and you get some skills of leveraging yourself, creating that horizontal income. If you've ever watched any of my videos, we work, maybe we got a property, maybe we got a little side hustle, maybe we got trading business, maybe we got some dividends, but we need to get a lot of stuff going in your direction, man. But anyway, today, listen, if you don't know about me and you want to know more about me, go over to geraldpeters.info and hey, get on my email list right here, man. Click that, baby. Click it. I'll be dropping dimes on there. Dimes, dollars, nickels, and quarters. All right. I told you what we're going to talk about, and I'm going to get into it and get up out. And it's this. I'm going to show you 11 stocks that I took profits in. Now, if you're in Discord with me, you're on my trade alerts. If you're in the Money Flow Trading Society, MFG, man, go to stock charts. You can look at trades. These are the trades these are just charts that I'm marking up for you. Airbnb is one. We took profits in. That was our trigger zone right here. This circle, you're going to see the circle you see right here, man, right here. Make this bigger. Come on, man, work with me. All right, come on now. Of course, you got to embarrass me. So right here, this circle, stage one trigger, S1. If you got my book, Money Flow, that's what I'm looking for. I need that anchor. I need it to set up. I need the stage one confirmation. Now I've got something that I can trade against. I got a place I can put my stop. I can find some market structure targets, and I got the relative strength index to help me. I just need that sideways action. On turn, I'm in, ride it up, start taking my money. So we already hit the first target. If it keeps going, great. We can ride it up to maybe 144. How far you want to ride it down if it breaks this stage 3 box? That's up to you. It's a long ways from a stage 4, but depending on how tight you're trading, I don't know how far down I want to ride this. Let's get back here. All right, next up on the list, Freeport-McMoRan. Let me take this size down. Freeport-McMoRan got a little bit of a bump today because of China. Oh, that's in the wrong one. That's if you subscribe to our trades of the week. If you don't already and you want to take trades with me, we're going to do 52 in a year. Unless there just isn't a good one. Just got long some futures contracts in Bitcoin, though. Or at least I'm trying. Coinbase was having problems. I've been using their futures platform. All right, we did Airbnb. FCX. Let me jump right to it. FCX. Again, all these charts are available. If you're in Discord with me, you can check them out. Jeez, my eyes are getting bad. Boom. Here's the FC chart. See where it says trim on 70 plus RSI? Guess what's happening? We hit 70 plus RSI today. The stock is benefiting from what's going down in China right now. Copper play. You need copper industrial. You're going to have some stimulant stuff going on over there. We had an anchor point. That's where we started to get long. We got long on this stage 1. It started to run. It didn't hit the target. It came back and gave us a chance to load up again because it held our stop loss. Could you have gotten out here? Yeah, maybe you're trading that tight, you get out. But I was giving this one a little room. I added more, built up the trade. Boom, 51. This is what I was hoping for. This is what we got, man. Beautiful trade setup here. I have not trimmed any. I'm being greedy. I think it could keep running. So we're up pretty nice in that. We're up nice in Airbnb. Let's see. Oh, we got another A here. AMD. We're trading the semiconductor trades. We're already in NVIDIA. I'm using the 2 times leveraged ETFs. These are a new product. They've been out for a little while. I think you get more bang for your money, and they're lower price, which makes it easier for you guys that don't have the big bags. You don't have the big bags to play. So let's see, AMD. Here's the AMD chart. I always like to look at the unleveraged chart if I'm trading an leveraged ETF, a leveraged commodity, now these new 2 times leveraged stock things, because that's going to give you the true, where's the 200, where's the 20, where's the 10, where's the 5. It can get, the charts can get thrown off with the extra leverage, okay? So always double check your leverage charts. In other words, I day trade the TQQ. You guys know that. I'm always looking at night on the QQQ. Make sure things are lining up the way they should. We hit our first target here on AMD, but I'm not trading AMD. I'm trading AMDL. This is a 2 times leverage. I don't necessarily make my trades bigger. This allows me to put more fishing poles in the water, so to speak. So I could put 10 grand and a swing trade in AMD, or I could put 5 grand into the 2X and take the other 2 and put it in, say, Starbucks or something. That's why I like the leverage fund. We hit our target. Next target is in the 20s. Matter of fact, let's talk about Starbucks. This was one here. I continued to kind of drip it down. Starbucks is trading at true value. We got in down here. Same exact play as Freeport. Got our first anchor, got in, it ran up. It kind of hit a target. Then it came back down, gave us a chance to load it up again, started trading sideways. Got very volatile in there, kept trying to break. And then, boom, we had this explosive run where Starbucks just got up into the 90 at true value. What Morningstar gives it, I think Morningstar says it's worth 92, 93. It just got some upgrades. Who knows? Maybe they take it to 110. So I'm going to keep a core position in this Starbucks, but I took some money off so I could put some money to work. All right, let's talk about X. X was one this week. This was what I call social sentiment trade. President took the microphone, doing their press conference, basically put out, hey, look, Japanese, you ain't going to be buying nothing. He basically told the Japanese, you ain't buying X. But, man, he can't do that just like that. That's just got to be voted on. There's treaties, there's things, man. He can't just say it on a thing. So when that happened, it knocked the stock from $38 to $27. Somebody posted it in Discord, the value of having a team. Boom. My top researcher sends me a text. I say instantly buy it. Why? Because if you go to the Peters report and you go to the back, now this is the value that I offer my friends if you're smart enough to catch it. Most people are not. Most people are too busy being busy to any time to get rich, much less study, do stocks, and take it serious. But we take it dead serious here. I have 2 analysts that work with me, and we track about almost 200 stocks, countless ETFs, commodities, Bitcoin, crypto coins. We're tracking it all, man. We use software, we use computers, obviously, but we also use good old-fashioned discretionary trading around a systematic system called the money flow. And I'm tracking where the stages are, but I'm also tracking the big picture, like I said in the video. And I'm ranking what I believe are the 7 top indexes around the 7 top assets in the world: gold, the Dow Jones, the S&P, Bitcoin, the NASDAQ, oil, USO, and bonds, TLT. I'm tracking these 7 to look for swing trades, investment opportunities, and hey, maybe where some shit's overbought. Right now, I'm taking profits, right? So you see how that works, man. I hope you're getting this. This is a systematic process. We do it every day. That's how we buy swimming pools. That's how we trade from home. That's how we pay cash for cars, man. If you want to get to that, you just got to develop that kind of skill. Take your time with it, too. Where were we here? So that's my homework. I do it every Sunday. These are the plays I'm looking to make. See where it says Delta? Watch this. I think we got Delta on here, don't we? I'm not even mentioning all these today. I'm just talking about swing trades. Okay? But this could have been a swing trade. Look at this. Straight up. Look what I said. Anchor point. Boom. Doji bar. Look, man. I marked all this. Put it right in there in the chart pack. Now look, running right to the previous high. This thing is way overvalued now. It's about 27% overvalued. We call it the bottom, call it the breakout, and have been riding it up. All that is doing your homework and following. So this is from last week, man. 9/22, this over the weekend. Well, this has been banging the stage 3. So if I need money for a trade, I can turn to my board and look. I've just narrowed down my search. You can do things faster. Plus, as I look at this, I can see breakout, stage 3s, 1s. I can begin to form a picture, and I can line up the win. Come on, man. Let's see. Keep hearing a noise. Sorry. All right, Delta. That wasn't even what I was going to talk about. Okay. Where's it at? X. We just did X. Oh, BitX. That's Bitcoin. We took some profits in that, but since then, and me going to tell you, I put futures contracts back on, but we took profits on BitX. Another A is silver. Track all the commodities: gold, silver, platinum, palladium, oil. I call Bitcoin and platinum. Now, where does it say my target is? Previous high, target zone. Look where it stopped. Boom. I put this on here. Go back, go look. Ask anybody in Discord. I wrote this back here, man. I put this chart together 2 months ago. This thing's hitting exactly where we thought. It's just a repeatable pattern. See the doji, see the doji, see the doji. This is just a repeatable pattern, man. These anchor points, these breakouts, previous highs, structured moves. What you got to figure out is stock selection, positioning, and following everything and doing your homework, okay? So boom, taking money down, making money in silver. What else we got? UTSL. It's like taking candy from babies. UTSL, where are we at? 3 times leverage. Utilities. Look at this. See these? This is where we got in, added, took some down, added it back on, took some down, added it back on, took some down, and now we're drifting. Text it. It's in Discord. It's on the Peters Report. Go to petersreport.com. It's free. Click over here at my QR code. I don't know. I don't have opinions. I just follow assets, and then I position myself to make money on them. And then I read out of interest why this is happening, but I actually don't know. I'm just following the money flow, man. All right. So what else we got? Oh, Tesla trade. I got no opinion on Tesla. Okay. If I read or learn it. Anything I learn about it is just out of genuine interest in wanting to know about Tesla. It's not going to jump down for me, is it? Okay, here it is. Target zones. This is the last time I marked this up. So what I do is I click on these and then I stretch them over. Okay? So watch. Watch how these line up. I haven't updated this chart since I put those in there. Okay? Now, the reason being is I've been trading the 2X, but watch. Kind of looks like where we're at, right? Boom. So these previous targets become support. Resistance becomes support. Resistance is where price hits, and we can draw a line, right? Well, those areas right below become zones of profit taking. And then when they break through, they become a base. And so this is stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Didn't really go down, runs through. Now we're still on stage 2, headed up, man. But I'm not trading Tesla. I'm trading the 2 times Tesla because I want to make 2 times my money. Money, honey. We trying to get rich in the MFG. I don't know what you guys are doing. Oh, I don't want to click buttons, Joe. TSLL's 2 times Tesla. Look at this. Look at it. Boom, boom, boom. Making money on that. I love it, man. I love it. All right. Enough bullshitting. We've been trimming that down. What about Lyft? I hold this in my buy and hold. I believe it's a takeout target. I've picked a lot of those. Obviously, it doesn't have to be to make money, as I'm fixing to show you. We've been swing trading Lyft too. So you could trade this in your margin account or whatever. Boom, doji, boom, set up stage 1 trigger, boom, stage 2 breakout, ride it up, hit the target zone. Easy trading. Took it down half, locked in that profit. So we're locking in. Total about 22 of them here. I'm just going to run through some. And then the last granddaddy of them all. This was a BNB trade in the free newsletter. Text out to you if you're on my trade of the week. If you're serious about trading, come trade with G. I send you a 10-minute video for each trade, target, entry, exits, and the fundamental case. I don't want no tickers. I'm not just looking at charts. That's half. We also need a catalyst and a reason, and we need to know what it is, how they make their money, and what the company value is. McDonald's, $303, baby. Anchor Point, our first entry, added, took off half, been riding it up. Down swing trade, own it in the buy and hold, swing trading it in the trading account. That, my friends, is called trading. So if there's, man, that's exciting. Appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate you listening. If you caught my I live traded, day traded today, the TQQQ, okay? And in there, I talked about basic position sizing. Anytime you're swing trading, get your position sizes right. So make sure you check the volatility or the beta of the stock you're trading so you can properly position. You don't need to buy the same size of AT&T as you buy of the 2X of NVIDIA, right? Difference, or 2 times Bitcoin, different. So that's part of risk management. That's number 2. You got to assess everything and make sure you're not at risk, okay? Number 3, exits, meaning how the hell are we getting out of here? With money or with a little bit less money? In other words, we need stops as well, right? And to get the money, to get the bag, we need targets. And we can use structured targets, and we can also use our indicators and our oscillators. Man, I hope this helps. Hey, click that right there, bro. I'm not going to keep you. Click that QR code. Come get with me. If you look for somebody to trade with, man, hit me up. And you can easily find my number. You could text me. Man, I'll probably have my text. I'll put my number down here. I'll put my cell phone number. This phone right here. Hey, don't be silly, man. Send me a text. I ain't going to answer it if you called anyway, but I will personally respond to your text. And let's see what we can do. Get you going. Go get my free ebook. That one's free in the ebook. But this here is not free as an ebook. This is the money flow trading system where I break down everything. Got my course, get on the email list, all that good stuff. Send me a text tonight, man. Tell me you like the video. Peace.